for 3 points. No good. Rebounded by number 26, but the ball is taken by Singapan for 3. No good. Now rebounded now the ball by number 25, Saguapo. And now De La Serna is there. Now, and number 6. And De Leon is there. Side 2 from De Leon, number 23. 2 points for Pogi team. And then now Singapan pass to number 15. Inside to number 4. Back to number 15 for 3 points side corner. No good. Rebounded number 4. Number 4 to De Leon, number 23. Last touch by De Leon. Number 23. And then now, the ball is now to number 4 to number 23 Singapan again. Singapan dribbling and that is now stealing the ball by De Leon. De Leon is now an easy layup. Yes, of course. 2 points again by De Leon. Singapan for 3 points. Short. Rebounded by number 15, but the ball is now going to De Leon. De Leon, a good pass, but it was a last touch by the ball. Okay, same ball.
Bye, guys.
Pogi. Guwapo na number 25 the side corner. Yes. Number 25 for another 2 points addition on the Pogi team. Score 0-0. And now LA number 4, the harassing by De La Serna and try to shoot on the middle by number 26. No good. Rebounded number 25. Number 25. Court to court, yes of course. Number 25 for another 2 points on the Pogi team. And then now number 4 LA. Pass outside to number 15, Ron Ariel. Noel. For 3 points? Yes, sir! 3 points on the first score by the white team. Empire. Astig. Okay, now the ball is now rebounded by Singapan. Singapan's dribbling. And making for 3 points again. Not this time. And the ball is now rebounded by number 6 to De Leon. De Leon to De La Serna. Underneath the ring. De La Serna delivering for 2. On the goal, almost 1. And now number 4 LA again. Here we go. Dribbling harassing by De La Serna. And Rondiel 15 underneath for number 26. Yes, sir! Number 26 for number 2. And now De La Serna. Here we go, De La Serna. Looking for passing. Okay, De La Serna. 28, yeah. Number 28. Crossover. Pass to De Leon. Outside, but it was a last touch by the white shirt. And now, number 28, pass to number 4, Venegas. Strong, and rebounded by De Leon, number 23. And now, De Leon, no good. And then, pass the ball again. There, De Leon, number 23. And then now, the ball is now rushing back. And then De La Serna tried for 3 points, short. Rebounded by Steve, number 29, but he was fouled. So, 26. Number 4, looking for De Leon. De Leon. You have now 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 25, back again to Venegas, number 4. To De Leon for 3 points. No. And the ball now rebounded by Rondiel. Noel, and the killer on the elbows, short. Rebounded the ball and pass back to De La Serna. De La Serna number 28 is now guarded by LA. And De La Serna tries inside, but he was troubled. Basta-basta break, and then Singaman pass on the side to number 26 inside, but this was last pass by the bogey squad, number 25. 16 second over shot. And now number 4 LA trying to shoot, but it was no good. Rebounded the ball by number 6. No, number 4. Number 4. Here we go, Villegas. On 3 points. No. Rebounded number 6. Number 6 to De Leon on the side corner. Yes, 2 points by De Leon. Here we go. Number 4 LA again. To Singaman for 3, but it was made and make it again. But no. Rebounded again by Kapogi. De La Serna for faking pass. And now going inside. And now the ball is taken by number 4. Villegas. No. Rebounded now by Singaman. Singaman number 23 for 3-point. No one is guarded him. Singaman for 3. And the pass break now for number 4, now Pogi. And now, De La Serna last pass. Score 16-8. Last 2 minutes and 7. The ball is now to Singaman for 3-point again. In and out. And the ball must be taken by Singaman. And then now number 4. So how many? It's a violation. Substitution ref. Number 4 for 3 points. Yes, sir. 3 points for number 4. 3 points, number 4. 1 minute and 14. 13 seconds on the shot clock. And then Malan, number 25, try for 3, but underneath there, Leon, double. And then the ball is now taken by De Leon again. Fake. Dribbling. De Leon for look 2. No. Rebounded again by number 8. No. And now you have now number 25. And he was fouled by number. Now number 15. Number 15. 16 I mean. 16. But he was last touch. And now 3 points, but this was rebounded by number 9. Number 9 for 2 points. Number 9. Number 9 for another 2 points. And now number 21 pass to number 15. Aquino, but he was fouled by number 16. Number 16, first personal foul. 2 free shots must be given to Aquino on the Guapo squad. Shot, yes. Shoot up your money. Shoot. Second try, yes or so, it's a perfect 2 points. Dalawa. And now the ball is now handed by number 16 to number 12. And then stealing the ball by number 21 and the pass break to number 6. Underneath, yes. Number 6. Number 9? Number 6, yes, number 6. Number 8 pala, number 8, number 8, 2 points, yes. And then now, number 16 to number 5. Number 5, Tino, yellow. And then the ball is rebounded by number 16. And now, here we go. Number 21. Pass to number 15. 16, I mean. 16. You have now 9 seconds on the shot clock. And the ball is traveling, and last dance. Now, 40 seconds shot clock, and then the ball is number 9 inside. He was fouled Number 28 foul and number 9 for 2 points. One more free shot for number 9. It's time no good. And now the ball now rebounded by number 9, the white ball for 9. And now number 16, Drew Rivlin.
Parang masakit ang paa nito.
Pass the ball number 9 underneath to Tio. Number 5, no good. And the ball must be rebounded by number 21.
Nakuha ni Daddy.
Number Julius, number 21. There's no foul calling. And then now, number 9 is now
It's okay.
Araw-araw Pogi. And number 28 is trying a deep goal shot. No. Lucky. Now still lucky. 14 second of the shot now. And now 8 underneath. So 1 second. Oh, he was turnover. 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 And number 21 bounded pass back to hit. 21. Julius. Pass the ball to Aquino, number 15. 15 to be passed. And now you have now 14 seconds on the shot clock. 12. And back now to Pinoya, number 16. 8 seconds. Pinoya for 3. Yes! Pinoya, 3 points. Number 16. Score 26-13 in favor of the Pogi groups. 10 seconds of shot clock. Number 12 trying to answer rebound. The ball, 6 seconds of shot clock. 5, 4, he was foul. Who's foul?
Foul ba yun?
Number 9, foul by Gakusa. And now the ball is now handled by number 15, Aquino, to number 8. Number 8. Pass the ball to number 9 for 3 through walk shot. And the ball must be last touch. Last touch by 9 seconds of the shot clock. Number 15 inbounded.
Wow!
Oh. And then now, here we go, number 28, Rubin.
Yes!
Number 28 is still dribbling. 12 seconds of the shot clock, but he was a line violation by number 9 in De La Serna. Yes, De La Serna. Nice. An easy 2 points from Gowato team. Last 2 minutes.
Fast
for second
break.
quarter. And now underneath, it was stealing the ball, but still the ball on the Pogi. Then number 21 to the De La Serna, number 23, and pass underneath number 9. Number 9 for another 2 points. 32-14. Oh, and now the ball is now taken by Dino, pass to Kakusan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 18 is there on the middle shot. Yes, sir! 2 points. By number 18, last 1 minute and 20
Yeah.
for your second quarter. Now, score 32-16. De La Serna is passed the ball to number 9. Pass it with the shot, but it was stolen. Now, the ball is now dribbling by number 16, Gakusan. Gakusan trying to start corner to number 18 on the 3-point territory. No good. Rebounded by Tino. Tino back to number 18. Number 18 to number 12, but he was blocked by De La Serna. De La Serna, a pass break and easy again for 2. Yes, sir, by De La Serna.
Daddy,
Last 40 seconds.
mapayag pa.
Tequila or Totino. Pass to number Sao. No good. Rebounded the ball and pass back by De La Serna. It was taken by De Leon. Last 23 seconds, De Leon. Ball must be taken down by Tino. Last 16 seconds. Yes, sir! 3 points. And now 8-7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. De Leon got the 2 points also. It was, and now number 25, found the ball pass to De Leon. De Leon, dribbling, crossover, and make for 2. Double, rebound by himself. No, another one, dribbling. De Leon again for 2, yes sir! De Leon for another 2 points.
Pinilit talaga. 3 times.
And now Singapan spinning the ball by the Pogi group. Number 9, Easy De Leon for 2. No! Rebounded now, number 4, Lele. And 8, court-to-court dribbling. No! And now the ball is now Villegas. Pass the ball for 3 points to De Leon on the outside territory. No good. And the ball is now 88-22. Still leading by Naguwapos for 1. And now, number 23, De Leon. Pass the ball to number 5, Baran! Yes! An easy layup by Baran in the middle. And now, number 4, here we go. Pass outside to Ronoyel, number 15. Strong shot for 3 points. Now the ball is not taken by De La Serna. A good pass and transition by transition by De La Serna. And Singapan in the middle shot. Yes
Wow.
sir.
Yes,
Singapan
sir.
for 2 points.
2 points.
The ball number 9. Number 9 is 2 for number 9.
Lain-lain.
And Singapan, answering for 3? No. Remanded the moment, number 25. Number 25 is contemplating and pass the ball to De Leon on the side corner. But it was to number 25 and De La Serna try for 3. Short. And now, the ball is now taken by De Leon. De Leon to De La Serna on the side corner, number 25. Waiting 7 seconds to the center. On the side corner, number 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, in the ball. Number 25-second violation. 25-second violation. Santo kick pass to make his first winning. And the intermittent shot, but it was fouled by De Leon.
Foul.
De Leon foul.
Foul, De Leon.
And the killer. The killer. Oh, number 28 in the middle race. No. And number 4 rebounded.
Ay!
But the ball is now taken by number 18, I mean. And now
Yes,
number 25.
yes.
Back to the Serna, to De Leon. Easy layup. No.
Ay! Sayang.
And now LA to Ronoyel on the third for 3 points. No good. Rebounded now number 26. Number 26. He was substitution. Now, De La Serna. De La Serna is now controlling pass the ball to number 4. Number 4, 12 seconds on the shot clock. And Baran pick 9 seconds. Now on the side corner for 3. No. The ball was rebounded by number 18, Dalna. And then number 5, Pino for 2. Pino for 2 points.
Pinyo. Pinyo. Up. Pinyo.
You have 13 seconds on the shot clock. And De Leon for 3 points. Yes, 3 points by De Leon. 3 points by De Leon. 3 points. Dalawang sakit ninyo. And now Pino for the side corner. Yes, sir! Dalawang 2 points. Ito kanina, di ba tinata? Dalawang. Oh, 47 score. Okay, now, De La Serna is now dribbling. looking for screen. And now the Laksana pass outside for 2 or 3 points. No. Rebounded the ball by number 18. And the ball was the last touch by the white shirt. Substitution. Substitution then. Now pass out the second of Villegas for 3 points. No. Rebounded by Kakusan. Kakusan is now guarded by De La Serna.
Imakan.
De La Serna, Kakusan. He was fouled by Villegas. Number 4 foul. Villegas. Okay. Foul number 4. Isa pa na. First foul by Villegas, number 4. 3. Wala. Kakusan short for the first free throw. Another try by Kakusan. Yes, 1 point.
Yes, sir.
Time out. Kapogi. Time out. Kapogi. Yes. To number 25. Inside. And now first pick up. Ball and down pass to Julius. To Pinelyar. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Underneath. Now 9 seconds.
Lagi niya.
Number 25. Pass to number 9. Maliegas. No. And now number 6. A follow-up shot. Still no. The ball is taken by number 9. Number 9 to number 18. To Kakusan, number 16. Alone inside. Yes, of course. 2 points by number 16, Kakusan. 1 minute and 36 remaining for your turn.
For the third.
Score 51-31. And now 11 seconds of the shot clock.
Take your time.
Villegas looking pass, easy play, and then now Julius is there for 5, 4, 3, and then now the ball is now rebounded by the white shirt. Pass the ball to Tino, to Tequila, and the ball is now there to Tino again. No! Rebounded by himself, Tino. And now you have now 1 minute. Number 4, Villegas to Julius.
Take your time.
Number 25,
Mama.
to other side, number 4, 10 seconds of shot clock. To Julius for 3 points. Short, rebounded by, you have the 40 seconds remaining. Then Kakusan, again, to inside, but he was fouled by Pinelyar. Pinelyar foul, number 16. Try by Kakusan. Yes, 1 point. Addition na Kakusan. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No more time. Okay, no more time. Another shot by Kakusan. 1 more. Score 51-33. 13 for 3 points. Yes, sir! 3 points. Number 15 is Roniel. And now, here we go, Julius. Dribbling. Pass the ball to number 8. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Pinelyar is now on action for 3 points. Short. Rebounded number 28. Number 28 is Uti. Julius. Foul. Number 21 foul. Number 21, Julius. And now, here we go, Tequila. Tequila number 18. Pass the ball to Singapan. Singapan, fake, but it was stolen. The ball by number 16. Number 16, Pinelyar, easy layup at the short. And the ball is now still in by number 18. And now Julius is there and fouled by the birthday boy, Singapan. Foul Singapan. And now number 21 inbounded to Aquino. Aquino from Pinelyar on the side corner for 2. No. Rebounded the ball by number 9 inside. No. And now the ball is now controlling by Julius. Julius to number 8. 9 seconds on the shot clock. To number 9 in the middle range. No. And now number 28 is rebounded. Pass the ball to Ronowell. Ronowell number 15. Pass on the side corner to Tino. Tino inside to, yes sir! Tino, addition for 2 points. And now Aquino for number 9. Here we go. Ready for shot, yes. And then Aquino, number 15. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Aquino trying to go inside. Short. Rebounded by number 9. Number 9 to Pinolyar. And Pinolyar to use 9 seconds on the shot clock to the 8. Number 9 trying to go inside, but it was taken by number 3 seconds. Okay, number 15 to the yell. A pass back to Singapan for 2. Yes sir, Singapan for 2. Score 51-40. 7 minutes and 22 remaining. And Julius controlling pass to number 9 to number 8 on the side corner. Pass on the opposite side. And then the side Tino. What is it? No count, no count. Number 28. And what? Substitution rep. Number 28 foul. Substitution rep. Not counted, not counted. Here we go, number 4, Billy Yekas. Pass underneath to number 15, but it was blocked. And now, number 4, LA, on the middle race, he was fouled by De La Serna. De La Serna, 28. Oh, third foul. And now we're getting first try, no good.
No good. First try, no good.
Second try, no
good
good
again.
And the ball must be taken by Singapan.
White ball.
Singapan. And now, pass the ball back to Singapan again. To number 18, Dakila. Dakila, pass on the side corner to Rodael. No good. Rebounded the ball by, but it was taken, stolen. And now Singapan for 3 points.
No good.
Again.
Yes.
And now
Go,
number
go,
8.
go, go, go.
Number 8. Pass in the middle and inside.
Yes.
For an easy floating shot by number 9.
Number
9 for another 2 points.
Number 4.
Now, pass to Dakila. Dakila to Roniel. Make 12 seconds on the shot clock. Singapan to Dakila. Dakila for 3 points. No.
Wow.
Rebounded the ball by Roniel for the second number 2 for 9. No good. Rebounded by number 8. Last 5 minutes to go. Okay. Alright, and now an easy play by De La Serna. Pass the ball to Bill Yekas. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 9. And then now De La Serna tries to go inside. A turn around. Back 3. And then the ball was taken number 4. And last touch. Tama! 3-point territory. No good. Rebounded by number 2. Jumper. Who's it going now? There. Blution. Last 4 minutes and 5.
Yes, you should.
Now De La Serna is now an easy play. Looking for his teammate. And now screening. Pass the ball to number 4. 12 seconds on the shot clock. And now when the ball is now stolen by number 26 on the line. But there the 4 who taking the ball to number 8. Number 8. Choga at the side, a good pass. And transition back. Deal no good. And then De La Serna is there. De La Serna, easy play. It's a turnover
It's
on De La
okay.
Serna.
It's okay.
Napagpas sa linya.
Yeah.
Last 3 minutes and 11.
Yes.
And now Roniel for 3 points.
Yes.
And then rebounded by number 9.
Come on, number 9.
Number 9, the ball pass to number 8.
Number 8.
4, Alto Villa. Pass back to number 9 to Villegas. Villegas trying to go in. A cut and middle shot. No, rebounded by LA. LA dribbling. Pass to Roniel. Side corner, but the Tino is there for two. Easy 2 points by Pino.
Yay!
Quick 2 points by Pino. And Villegas. Villegas is there to number 15. Inside number 9 is there. Underneath. Yes, sir.
Woo! Yes, number 9.
Number 9 for 2. Last 2 minutes and 19.
Yari.
Last substitution rep. Is now controlling, dribbling, and now guarded by Tino. Tino passed that side corner to number 15. Number 15. Inside. But it was a turnover.
Sayang.
Last 1 minute and 49. And now Tino.
Ang asawa ko, nag-coach.
Tino number 5. A turnaround and now Roniel for 3 points. No. Rebounded by himself. Tino. Roniel, now Singapan is holding now 8 seconds on the shot clock. Singapan pass to Tino for 3. Yes, sir! Tino! Last 1 minute and 24.
By the 10 points.
Is it a 10 points ahead now the Pogi group?
Pinagpapawi.
And now Villayon flipping pass the ball inside for side corner. Yes, sir! Number 15 for 2 points.
Yes, we're winning.
Last 1 minute and
Woohoo!
10. And now Singapan. Dribbling down, Singapan. Pass the ball on the side for Tino. For 3 points. No.
Wala.
Rebounded by De Leon. De Leon is there. 50. Wow!
Patrick! Yahoo!
Yes, sir! Points by De La Serna. And now you have still 48 seconds remaining.
Okay na tayo. Sige, sigaw.
And Tino is now harassing by De La Serna. And De La Serna! I saw De La Serna for an easy layup. Yes, sir!
We are winning.
Time out! Time out! A white shirt. Making for another shot. Lomanglas is there. And the Singapan is guarded by De La Serna. De La Serna. And now Singapan is overgoing. And De La Serna, you have now to 1 second of shot clock. Guarded by the 2 guy. De La Serna. 7 seconds in the shot clock. 3 points Singapan. No! And then the follow up by number 26. Yes, 2 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations on the Huapo Pogi squad. And obviously,
Winner kami.
De La Serna, I guess, De La Serna is the best player, I think. De La Serna! I show you! De La Serna? Dalawa sila. De La Serna and De Leon. De Leon, you have to go inside.